Good morning students. Today we discuss about the order of reaction. What is order of reaction? It is the concentration of reactant molecule present in a rate determining step is called order of reaction. Again, it is represent the concentration of reactant molecule present in a rate determining step is known as order of reaction. Let us consider a general equation A B gives QC and PD. If rate of the reaction depends upon the M molecule of A and N molecules of B, then rate of the reaction equal to A की power M and B की power N. Here the rate of reaction with respect to A is M and rate of the reaction with respect to B is N, and overall rate of reaction is sum of the power that is M plus N. Sum of the power that is M plus N. Also where K equal to rate constant. From definition, rate of reaction is of following type. First is zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. If rate of reaction does not depend any molecule of reactant molecule, concentration of any reactant molecule, then it is known as zero order reaction. For example, H2 plus Cl2 gives twice HCl. This reaction will proceed in presence of sunlight, in presence of photon. Here the rate is concentration of H2 की power 0, concentration of Cl2 की power 0. The rate does not depends upon any reactant molecule, so this reaction is zero order reaction. This reaction also known as photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. Second is first order reaction. When rate depends only one reactant molecule, then it is known as first order reaction. Like H2O2 dissociate into H2O plus O2. This is first order reaction because the rate depends only concentration of 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide. Then second order reaction. When rate of the reaction is depends upon the 2 moles of reactant molecule, then it is known as second order reaction. Like H2 plus I2 gives twice Hi. Here rate depends upon the concentration of hydrogen as well as concentration of iodine. 1 molecules of hydrogen and iodine. The order of reaction is 1 plus 1 equal to. Then third order reaction. When rate depends upon the 3 molecules of reactant molecule, then it is known as third order reaction. Like 2NO plus O2 gives NO2. Here rate is third order 2 plus 1, like rate equal to K NO की power 2 and O2 की power 1. Now we discuss the unit of K. Unit of rate constant. Unit of K is mole की power 1 minus n into second inverse. The unit of mole is यहाँ पर concentration ले लें. Concentration की power 1 minus n and second inverse. The unit of concentration is mole per liter. Hence it become 1 minus n second inverse. We can apply first for zero order. The rate of reaction is n equal to 0 mole per liter. For zero order reaction n equal to 0 mole per liter, substitute n equal to 0 second inverse. That means it become mole liter second inverse. For first order n equal to 1, the unit of K become mole per liter 1 minus 1 second inverse. It becomes 0, whole become 1. Therefore, the unit is second inverse. Now we discuss about the molecularity of the reaction. What is molecularity? Number of species present in a reaction which collide simultaneously are known as molecularity of the reaction. Again, the number of reacting molecule present in a chemical reaction that collide, टकराते हैं आपस में, that collide simultaneously are known as molecularity of the reaction. For example, Na and B gives QC and DD. Molecularity weight equal to K A की power m B की power n and the molecularity is n plus n. On the basis of reactant molecule, molecularity are of following type. First one is unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction, when only one reactant molecule present in a reaction, then it is known as unimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction, when two reacting molecules present in a reaction, then it is known as bimolecular reaction, and so on. Trimolecular and polymolecular molecular reaction are also proceed. What is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of the reaction? What is the difference between order and molecularity of the reaction? Order of the reaction can be determined by experimentally, and molecularity can be determined on the basis of reaction. Order of reaction may be 0, but molecularity never be 0. The order of reaction may be integer or fraction, but molecularity always integer. Okay.